Here we have a Porsche 911 Carrera. Now this is the 992 model, and we've protected this vehicle with a Pandora Mini BT. Now the alarm system is a Category 1 Thatcham Approved Alarm Immobiliser. So it all works with a keyless system that this vehicle has, and all you have to do is carry a little tag with you, and with the tag you could disarm the alarm system and disengage the immobiliser. Now without the tag you can't actually disarm the alarm system and you cannot start the vehicle. The alarm system itself is nice, it's quite comprehensive, it has various other sensors to it. So not only does it give you door protection, so if any of the doors open it will trigger the alarm system off. It has a shock sensor, it has a warn away shock sensor, motion sensor and a tilt sensor. So as a package it's quite comprehensive, and like I said, it's a Category 1, so it's all insurance approved. So let me just demonstrate. The tag is not visible, so the alarm system cannot see the tag. So I'm just going to lock the car, as you normally would do, but without the tag, it spends a few seconds looking for the tag, can't see it, the alarm system goes off. So as the alarm's going off, it's also immobilised. So if you come over here, so now I'm going to try to start the car, and it won't start at all. Completely immobilised. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to lock it, and I'm going to now introduce the tag. Now this is the tag, and like you see, it's actually quite small compared to the key. So you don't have to do anything with that tag, it's just literally proximity. So now if I unlock it, it's now disarmed the alarm system. And if I jump in and try to start the vehicle, it now all starts. And that's it. So without this tag, you cannot disarm the alarm system and you cannot get the vehicle started. So that's the Pandora Mini BT installed on this Porsche 911 Carrera.